Hello everyone, and I am painting right now. I am done with this volcano. The floor is lava. And those are smoke, not clouds. I think they look like clouds now, just thinking of it. But I am sorry I didn't film this when I started painting. I just got this idea now, and the sun is being covered by some smoke. And it's still drying up because it's kind of wet still. I think you can see it, but I like that texture. Yep. And oh wait, what happened to the lighting? Make it light, yes. Uh-oh, it's so hard getting the paintbrush while holding this camera. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna do stuff with this so that I can make it more good stuff. Oh, that's just some lava going there. It's kind of orange because I placed some orange. Yeah, I made like aqua or teal. I don't know. Okay, get it. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Say hi. Okay. Okay, I should. Hey.
Why is there black?
I don't know. I don't know why there's black. I already made orange. What are you doing?
No, not that.
I am so happy I decided to do this video. Because I really want to show YouTube how much I love painting. Although I don't do it much. It's just ever since my mom gave me this painting materials and a palette too, actually. You can see that. And it's just been so nice. And I really like painting more now. And I'm also gonna do this when I'm waiting for that to dry. So let's do it.